Let's make a delicious and healthy orange cashew chicken, all made on a sheet pan. It has the most yummy orange ginger garlic sauce that is so easy to make. Let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll make the sauce. Grate up a big piece of fresh ginger. 4 cloves of garlic. And some orange zest. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add half a cup of orange juice, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You could use honey if you prefer. Garlic, the grated ginger, 1 tablespoon roasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce, and the orange zest. Stir that until it comes to a boil and it's looking well mixed together. Then take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water and stir that in. Stir until the sauce is thickened, just a few minutes, and then remove it from the heat. It will be thick and glossy. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It smells incredible. Get your sheet pan ready with parchment paper or aluminum foil. I have 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I'll cut into bite-sized pieces and add that to the sheet pan. Next, I'll cut up the vegetables. 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, half of a red onion, Next, I'm going to clean up about a cup of snow peas. I'm just going to cut off the stringy bits on the ends. Everything gets tossed onto the sheet pan. Add about a half cup of cashews. Now I'm going to drizzle on about half of that orange ginger sauce we made earlier and mix it all together. Once everything is coated in the sauce, it goes in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes or until the peppers are tender crisp. While that's cooking, let's cut up the garnishes. Slice up the green onions. I just now realized that I forgot to add the white part of these green onions to the sheet pan, so I'll do that right now. Save the green parts for the garnish. Now I'll chop up a small handful of cilantro. I'm the only one that likes it in my house, so I don't need to chop up very much. You should have enough time still to make some rice or noodles or whatever you'd like to serve this with. Here it is, hot out of the oven. Now let's plate this up. Got my bowl. Add about a half a cup of cooked rice. Scoop on the chicken mixture. Drizzle on more sauce. Garnish with green onions. Chopped cilantro if using, and lots of sesame seeds. And there you have it, sheet pan orange cashew chicken. You can find the link to the recipe in the description. Let me know in the comments if you made it and if you liked it. If you liked this recipe, here are a few more sheet pan dinners for you to try. Thanks for watching.